Welcome to the Fluidity Balance and Scar Tissue Release channel. My name is Gerla. I am honored to have your attention during each video that will be on display for your enlightenment and growth. The goal is to keep each viewer informed and engaged in their health and wellness journey. I will be combining my experience as a rehab clinician in the field of occupational therapy and my current experience as a licensed massage therapist for topics that may be of interest to you. Information given on this channel does not replace your physician's orders. Please consult with your doctor for all medical concerns. This is an educational channel. You can reach Fluidity Balance and Scar Tissue Release at 813-843-1949 or go to our website, fluiditybalance.org. That's FLUIDITY balance.org. Thank you and talk to you soon.